Creating candles should be the fun part, but working out exactly how much wax, fragrance oil, and supplies you need for a batch can take time, especially when you're scaling up production. That's why we've created our brand new batch calculator. Whether you're a hobbyist, making gifts for friends and family, or running a growing candle business, our batch calculator helps you plan your batches in just a few clicks. How to use the batch calculator. Step 1. Choose your container. Select your preferred candle container from our range, or use the search bar to quickly find the vessel you're using. Step 2. Select your wax next. Choose the wax you'd like to use. Step 3. Choose your fragrance. Select your fragrance oil from the list. The calculator factors in the fragrance load, giving you a precise breakdown of the ingredients you'll need. Step 4. Enter your batch size. Simply enter how many candles you'd like to make. Whether you're producing a small test batch or a large production run, the calculator automatically scales everything for you. Step 5. Review your results. Within seconds, you'll see a complete breakdown of the materials required for your batch, along with the estimated manufacturing cost per candle. Step 6. Name your batch whatever works for you, save it for future use, and download a copy for your records at any time. At Supplies for Candles, we're always looking for ways to make candle making simpler and more enjoyable. Our batch calculator has been designed to remove the guesswork from batch planning and help you create perfectly planned batches in minutes. Try it today by visiting the link in the description below. And if you find it useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments how the batch calculator helps your candle making process.